Good morning and welcome back to Vlogmas. I was supposed to make this last night and let it sit overnight, but I wasn't feeling 100% last night. So I am making, this is tortellini salad. My family loves it on my mom's side, and so tonight is my dad's side's Christmas party. So I am making it, and you just take, it's very easy, and I can't even take the credit. One of my best friends, Rachel, she was the one who made this first. All it is it's cheese tortellini. You cook that up, and then you put that with a bed of arugula and chicken. I'm gonna add the chicken to it. So you mix up the tortellini, arugula, chicken, and then the sauce is lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and sugar. And it is delicious, but I am eating carnivore. So Andrew's also eating carnivore, but he's like more a flexivore. So he's gonna have to tell me how the dressing is. I kind of eyeball it. I use 3 lemons and then probably like a cup of olive oil. I might add a 4th lemon, 2 cloves of garlic. I might add another one. Like, it's very much throw it together, and then you add Parmesan cheese also to the sauce and then to top. It's very yummy. It just kind of looks like that, and then you just gotta emulsify, and then you do like a tablespoon or so, it depends on how sweet you like it, of sugar. Because it's a bigger batch, I'll probably do 2. And I don't know, I think this is a recipe where you can just like measure with your heart. Pepper. And that is the bacon. Ooh. Oh no, did I overcook it again? I think it's perfect. Oven bacon. Okay, now I'm going to add about half this Parmesan to the dressing. That much. And mix that together. And then I'm gonna pour like just a bit over half and reserve the other half for when I add the arugula to make this like an actual salad. So let's try this. Maybe a bit more, okay. Mix this all together. And I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge till tonight, or till we need to leave.
Last night
time of the day where it's time to get ready. I'm all ready. It's hard to show you what I'm wearing. This room is a disaster. I'm just gonna put some Dolce & Gabbana light blue on. I wish I had more of my Mexico tan, but I honestly feel like I look really pale. I have to just go toss the pasta. I have to go put the arugula in the salad, and then we have to go. This battery's gonna die, but essentially you add arugula. Pour on more of the dressing and add Parmesan. My battery's gonna die. I'm so sorry. I've got to change it, but we gotta go. We are on our way now. I was gonna rush out the door. I was eating. I was on the phone. The maps wouldn't load, but we did it. We're on our way.
He's a Detroit fan.
Oh, yeah, the Joe Louis Arena.
No, that's gone now.
No. It's the Little Caesars.
It's the Little Caesars.
Little Caesars, yeah, that's right too.
So we'll be.
Yeah.
We'll start. There you are. And in
I remember Joe Louis.
Are you a skate?
Hold on. You're right.
You're so cute. You're so cute. Hello, Chinky Cheekies.
If he drinks like a whole bowl.
Oh my gosh!
What can we sing for Santa? Santa down here.
Jingle bells.
How about we do Jingle Bells again?
Yay!
And a 1, and a 2, and a...
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Look, do you see?
Someone in the show. One, two, three.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm. Emma, come back. Emma, let's go. Emma, Aunt Lola's gonna go with you. Come on, come on. Come on. Stand up. It's recording. It's recording. Come on.
Get your present.
Okay, okay. We'll just grab the present. Mom, take a picture of Everly. Mom. Everly.
Look at the camera.
Oh, sorry, Andrew. 3. Okay, wait this way. 1. Okay, got it. I got it. Just got back from the party. It is pouring out. It took us quite a long time to get home just because of the weather, which is a bummer that it's pouring rain in December, but it is what it is. The party was really fun. Andrew was the elf, as you saw, and then yeah, it was just nice to be with that side of my family. We don't see them all that much, like twice a year, so it was nice to be together and kind of like catch up. Anyways, yeah, we just got home. Amy, Lee, and Natalie are coming over tomorrow to bake. Well, Natalie's not gonna bake. Natalie's just gonna hang out. Amy, Lee, and I are gonna bake. So I kind of want to get the living room and kitchen ready for baking. Tidy up a little bit. Yeah, and I want to change out of my clothes. I don't think I showed you what I was wearing. I really love this top. I got this from H&M, cardigan from H&M, and it's got this really pretty sparkly bow. And then I just paired it with some like wide leg trousers. And that was my outfit, but I'm gonna go change into some jammies and just tidy things up. Like, oh my gosh, look at the mud in Walter's bed. Ugh. This thing is so annoying to wash. Okay. That is it for today's Vlogmas vlog. I hope that you enjoyed spending this day with me. Thanks so much for joining. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and stop by tomorrow for Vlogmas. What day is tomorrow? Oh my gosh, tomorrow is Vlogmas day 10. Have a wonderful night. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.